Hello, welcome to the Spanish test. Today you're going to discover your true level, not the one you think you have, the real one. Here's how it works. 30 questions, 3 options for each, A, B or C, and 5 seconds to choose. We start very easy and end very hard. No one gets 30 out of 30 on the first try. No one. Grab a pen and paper and write down your answers. At the end, I'll tell you exactly what your level is. One last thing, be honest. You're only fooling yourself here. Ready? Let's go. Block 1, basic level. Questions 1 through 10. End of block 1. If you got any of these wrong, don't worry. What comes next is what matters. End of block 2. Count up your correct answers. Things are getting serious now. Block 3, advanced level. Questions 21 through 30. Studying isn't enough here. You need to have actually lived the language. That's it. Add up your correct answers. 0 to 8, you're just starting out. Absolute beginner level. We've all been there, and you can move past it quickly. 9 to 15, level A1. You can handle the basics and understand a lot more than you think. 16 to 22, level A2. You can hold a real conversation. You're doing better than you thought. 23 to 27, level B1. You're no longer a beginner, you are a Spanish speaker. And 28 to 30, level B2. Very few people reach this stage. If you got this score, you aren't learning Spanish anymore. You already speak it. Write your result in the comments. Just the number, 12, 20, 27, whatever it is. If you scored lower than expected, the full course is available on this channel, starting from scratch and going lesson by lesson. Retake the test in a month and you'll see the difference. Subscribe because the next test will be harder. See you later.